Ever wanted to make serious money online without being a coder, a writer, or a tech wizard? Let me let you in on a secret. AI is flipping the script on digital entrepreneurship, and right now, there's a goldmine waiting for anyone willing to build and flip websites using artificial intelligence. I'm talking about turning simple niche websites into $10,000 plus paydays, no coding, no traditional writing, and honestly no excuses. For years, building a profitable website felt like running a marathon in slow motion. Endless niche research, expensive writers, designers even trying to learn code, just to get Google to notice you. It was exhausting, risky, and expensive. But now, AI changes everything. Imagine transforming the slowest, hardest parts of this process into an automated system that works while you sleep. That's what AI website flipping is all about. Why would anyone pay you thousands, even tens of thousands for a website? Simple passive income, established traffic, and ready-made online businesses are in hot demand. Buyers want proven sites that make money from ads, affiliate links, or digital products, and they're willing to pay a premium for sites that already have a proven track record. Places like Flippa and Empire Flippers are full of examples. Websites selling for $10,000, $20,000, even $50,000 or more. Here's how AI gives you superpowers. First, niche and keyword research. Let AI tools like ChatGPT or Google Trends do the heavy lifting. Ask, what's trending in eco-friendly gadgets, and get instant profitable ideas. Next, content generation. AI writers can produce dozens of SEO-optimized articles, product reviews, and guides in minutes. No more staring at blank pages or hiring expensive freelancers. Though, need visuals? AI image generators create custom graphics, so your site stands out. No stock photo subscriptions needed. Even setting up the actual site is easier than ever with WordPress and AI-powered plugins. So what's the blueprint? First, use AI to choose a profitable niche. Think evergreen topics with real commercial appeal. Second, blitz your site with high-quality AI-generated content and images. Third, quickly build and optimize your site for speed and mobile. Fourth, drive initial traffic through SEO and AI-generated social posts. Fifth, monetize your site with affiliate links or ads, and track your numbers. Finally, once you've got consistent traffic and income, list your site for sale and cash in. Why jump in now? The barriers have never been lower. You don't need to spend months or thousands up front. AI lets you start multiple sites, scale your income, and build a future-proof skill set that only gets more valuable. Honestly, the future of making money online is here, and it's powered by AI. Don't just watch this revolution, be part of it. If you want my exact AI tool stack and resource guide, smash that like button and drop AI website flip in the comments. First 50 people get the guide, and don't forget to subscribe for more money-making AI strategies coming soon.